Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2026 Tiffin GH1, a luxury adventure camper van that seamlessly blends off-road capability with home-like comfort. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter chassis, the GH1 is designed for those who crave exploration without sacrificing convenience. Under the hood, the GH1 is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder twin-scroll turbo diesel engine, delivering 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed shiftable automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving. The all-wheel drive system, combined with Fox shock suspension and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, provides exceptional handling on various terrains. Measuring 19 feet 6 inches in length, 7 feet 8 inches in width, and standing 10 feet tall, the GH1 offers a spacious interior with a height of 6 feet 3 inches. It comfortably sleeps 2 adults on a 49-inch by 79-inch power lift bed, which sits above a generous gear garage, perfect for storing outdoor equipment. Inside, the GH1 boasts a well-appointed kitchen featuring a 3.1 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator with freezer, a portable single-burner induction cooktop, and a stainless steel sink with a built-in sprayer. The wet bath includes a 24-inch by 36-inch shower, a cassette toilet, and a handheld shower head, ensuring all the comforts of home are within reach. For off-grid adventures, the GH1 is equipped with a 540 amp-hour Battleborn lithium-ion battery kit, a 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter charger, and a 220-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller. An optional upgrade to an 810 amp-hour battery kit is available for those seeking extended power autonomy. The inclusion of a hydronic heating system and a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a heat pump ensures year-round comfort. Connectivity is a breeze with the GH1's wiring prep for Starlink Pro, allowing for optional satellite internet installation. The vehicle also features a wall-mounted thermostat with a built-in temperature sensor, providing precise climate control. The GH1's interior is adorned with the Stargazer Decor package, featuring Technoform cabinetry, dimmable LED lighting, and ultra-leather upholstery. Optional additions include the Adventure Bar trademark, offering a versatile space for work or dining, and luxury jump seats, increasing seating capacity to 4. Safety and convenience are paramount, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree view camera system. The GH1 also includes a Girard side-mounted powered patio awning with integrated LED lighting, enhancing outdoor living spaces. While official pricing for the 2026 model has yet to be released, previous models have ranged between $170,000 and $200,000, depending on customization and optional features. The GH1 is available for order through Tiffin Motorhomes' dealer network, with deliveries anticipated in late 2025 and early 2026. In summary, the 2026 Tiffin GH1 stands out as a top-tier adventure camper van, offering a harmonious blend of rugged performance and luxurious amenities. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote trails, the GH1 is equipped to provide a comfortable and connected experience wherever your journey takes you. If you love cutting-edge car and camper reviews, hit that subscribe button and join our adventure on wheels.